Felix Tijerina's statement in the 1950s, "Let the Negro fight his own battles, his problems are not mine. I don't want to ally with him," is what I hear still today when anyone says black and brown unity, or people of color. The civil rights movement that helped advance the Negro was indeed fought without the help of LULAC, League of United Latin American Citizens. Felix Tijerina was LULAC's national president from 1956 until 1960, and during that time, some Mexican Americans that were associated with that organization suggested that they should work with the Negroes in the NAACP, and that is what prompted that statement made by LULAC's president. In 1929, LULAC was founded in Corpus Christi, Texas, to address the civil rights of Mexican Americans. They argued that Mexican Americans were white under the Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo 1848. Their main goal was to assimilate into white society. In my opinion, that has not changed. Today, Latinos still aspire to be a part of the dominant society. Till this day, they are still fighting for the right to be white. Felix Tijerina's statement, "Let the Negro fight his own battles. His problems are not mine. I don't want to ally with him." This statement was made by Felix Tijerina, LULAC national president from 1956 through 1960, when some Mexican Americans associated with LULAC suggested they should work with Black Americans in the NAACP. LULAC was founded in 1929 in Corpus Christi, Texas. They focused on United States-born Mexicans and argued that Mexican Americans were white under the Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo 1848. Their main goal was assimilation into white American society. During the 1940s and 1950s, LULAC had a whiteness strategy. Mexican Americans often classified as white legally, but faced discrimination as a minority group. There were some members of the organization that suggested LULAC cooperated and work with the NAACP, but Tijerina's response was stern and reprimanded against any alliance with the Negroes. He prioritized Mexican American advancement over broader racial solidarity. There were several contradictions in LULAC's strategy. They claimed the white status for legal protections, but in reality faced discrimination as a non-white minority. They also claimed policy benefits from being treated as non-white, but participated in discriminating against Black Americans. Their public persona was fighting against school segregation, while privately some LULAC leaders maintained segregated businesses. Tijerina himself owned a restaurant where reportedly they discriminated against Black customers. They complied with Jim Crow and supported segregation in Houston. During the Civil Rights era, there was tension between LULAC and the Negroes. Their strategies and priorities were different. Their legal strategy and approach to civil rights litigation were different. There were divisions over how federal programs would be implemented. There was competition for resources and attention, and there was prejudices and racism. The attempt to unify and form a coalition failed. The long-term consequences of LULAC's refusal to work with the Negro during the Civil Rights era resulted in separate movements, where Mexican Americans and Black Americans fought separate battles. As ongoing tension continued, so did the competition for resources, federal programs, and attention. Identity politics reinforce separate ethnic political organizing. Today's political landscape is a reflection of yesterday's political decisions. It is seen in how the Mexican American community still operates today in relation to the Black American community, the same as they did during the Civil Rights era. This information is not meant to demean any group of people, but to shine a spotlight on politics in Black American history. I hope this video was informative. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.